This is an antique Singer, model 66 with red-eye decals. The serial number is G7855198, which dates it to 1920. The machine's been completely serviced. It's in good working order. It also has been upgraded with the common side clamping foot. It's a treadle machine. So there's a boss located below the balance wheel for a motor or a hand crank. This is set up in a treadle application. The table is for demonstration purposes only. It does not come with the machine. Decals are pretty good. Chrome pieces are pretty good too. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. I've got 6 layers of denim, which were already stitched once for a photo in the ad. And I'm going to do a full speed stitch test too, which will tell if it's going to break thread or skip stitches, which typically doesn't happen when you run at a lower speed. My thread popped off here. Spool's jumping around a little bit. Okay. Hopefully we'll be able to see the purple thread on top. And the red thread on the bottom. Here you can see pretty good stitches. No skip stitch. And there you have it.